Hey guys, Mark here, out with Laura again. I bet you this place looks familiar. I think just a couple videos back I caught a giant here. See if we can do it again. I think it's just a week later, so they should still be roaming around. If anything, they're a little fatter these days. So yeah, let's get out there. I'm gonna be hucking a frog and a chatterbait around for the most part, but maybe a jig if I need to. And yeah, it should be good. I'm sure we'll get into a bunch of fish regardless, but hopefully that giant's sitting there waiting for me. See you out there. Hopefully we get him. One more cast this way and we're gonna go a little further. Or maybe two casts that way. I want to get one a little closer. Yeah, that's a big fish.
I heard that one.
That was a huge blow up. I saw him come right out of the water for it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Not a bad start.
That's not a bad first fish. You want to give me my scale?
Yeah.
I think it.
Stop recording here? Or... Okay. It was in the easy pocket.
Just wanted one nice fish like this today. That was a huge blow up. Whew. Hell yeah, guys, that's awesome. I'd say 2 pounds, probably 10 ounces. Getting close to a 3-pounder. It blew up like a 5 and it was really trying to bury itself down. Yeah, that was a really nice strike. Yeah. 2 pounds, 8 ounces. I was off by 2 ounces. That's not too bad.
That's pretty good.
Alright, can you come down here just for the release?
Okay.
Hey guys, that's a pretty good first fish to start the day off. Yeah, that's not a bad fish to start the morning off with. All the right way, buddy. There you go. Awesome. Friggin' right. I love starting a day like that. Nice, good fish. It blew up real hard down there. Hopefully you guys can pick it up on my camera. Yeah, that was awesome. Let's get some more of those. Spiders are really starting to web this place up good. I can only imagine in a few weeks this place is going to be just as gross and infested as it was last year. Because yeah, it was it was gross last year, for sure. God, there's a lot of spiders. Holy, this is gross. They're definitely coming out. Be like another week or two. If not, they're already pretty bad. Holy, yeah, they're everywhere. I'd say, wow, there's another one. Yeah, another week and these guys are gonna be in full force and that's disgusting. I won't be back after that. And they're all getting gigantic and prego. Ready to drop all their babies and die. Those are some big spiders and lots of them. Holy. Wow, they're in every little spot. So you guys can see what I'm talking about here. This is gross, guys. There's spiders everywhere. So you walk there, big giant spider. Okay, go right here. Big spider web. Oh, there he is. Big giant spider. Oh, let me guess. There's another one. Oh, let me guess. Oh, yep. Oh, here's another one over here. There's so many spiders, it gets disgusting out here, guys. That'll keep people away pretty good. Ugh. Oh yeah, there's one. Nice. Chunk. I'll take him. He's not big. Not a 2.5 pounder, but I'll take him. There we go. Skinny little bass like that are the ones that give you trouble on hooking them. Jeez. It was right through the meat of his cheek. Another little guy. Really little guy. Wow, that's the smallest bass I had hooked all season. That's a really tiny guy. What's he doing going after that? Throwing good old faithful black and blue chatterbait. And I got that last guy on the frog, and yeah, that was a crazy blow up. You guys saw that. That frog's getting real beat up. It's gonna have to get replaced any day now. Almost forgot to split my tails. There's a lot of bluegill down there, right in front of me. A lot of them. And they look just like my bait. It's a good sign. Another one. It doesn't feel huge though. Still. Oh, I got a follower. Two followers. Wow. Oh man, I just had a 3-pounder follow that guy in. Crazy. That was nuts. I had 2 followers on that guy. One was probably a pound, and then the other one was a really big 2.5, 3-pounder following that fish in. That's crazy. I really don't see that too often, so I always see it in videos and I never actually see it in person. So yeah, that was cool. Another one. Running towards me. He looked like he was about to jump. Spit it. Easy release. Has the feeding frenzy begun? Are we ready to get bit in every cast? I'd like that. Holy. I love these baits, but I'm kind of getting a beef with them a little bit. They are breaking on me so quickly. I mean, it's not a big deal if you're willing to put out money for soft plastics pretty much every second time you go fishing, but that seems a little expensive to me. Something nailed me there. Holy. Wow. That almost didn't feel like a bite.
What, just that last cast?
Took the tail right off. Yeah, these soft plastics, guys, I'm telling you, they work fantastic, but they break down way too fast. Havocs are like half the price, but they last a little longer, I think. But they obviously work, so you gotta use them. It wouldn't be happening if I wasn't catching fish.
Well, yeah.
Whew. More spiders. Got one. Decent. Not huge, but 2-pounder at least. This spot is awesome. It's gold mine. Well, guys, there's another 2-pounder. These spots have been on fire lately. It's a great way to kill the time while I'm waiting for steelhead. I love bass fishing, but I cannot wait for the steelhead to come. But yeah, it's nice to be able to get nice, big, thick, healthy bass like that, really not too far from my neighborhood. I love it. All right, well, that's the end of the day there. Sun's gonna be down any minute. We're gonna get out of here, go eat a late dinner. But yeah, I mean, you can't catch giants every time, but that was good. A good little fish. I got a bit of a frog bite on, a bit of a chatterbait bite on. It's pretty good. I don't think we'll come back to this pond again this season or this year. Maybe not till the spring, because these spiders are starting. They're starting to breed, and they're getting bigger and more of them, and it gets a little creepy when you're walking through here at night, especially. So yeah, thanks for watching. I appreciate all the support. I know we're going on a camping trip next week, or this week, just later on in the week, and definitely gonna have some good salmon fishing and some good pike and bass fishing there. So stay tuned, and yeah, thanks again for watching. See you on the next one.